This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
बधाई हो। हर हफ्ते की शुरुआत हम बधाई देते हुए ही करते हैं एंड टुडे ऑन द शो आई एम कांग्रेचुलेटिंग स्तुति छाबड़ा who's from the corporate communications department based out of Gurgaon. Stuti, it is so nice to have you on the show.
Same here, Annie. So happy to be here.
And badhai ho. Let's start with that.
Thank you.
So what, 2.5 months since you are at MMT now?
Yes, it's been almost 2.5 months.
Before this, were you at another place or is this your first job? What is the scene like?
So I've been in the PR industry for good 7.5 years now.
Nice.
And I was with AVNV, which is a PR agency based out of Delhi.
Uh-huh.
So prior to this, I was there. And this is my first stint with corporate communications.
Nice. How different is PR from corporate communications?
So I would say, it's more focused corporate communications. When you are with a PR agency, there are a lot of clients you are taking
Correct.
care of. A lot of different kind of work is there in terms of like you're not managing stakeholders directly. So I think the pressure builds on more when you are in corporate communications because you are at the other end, like you're the one who's in charge of everything that goes out to the media and the world. Super happy to be a part of this team.
And you think more and more people are kind of getting into the PR and corporate communications space now?
I think people are moving more towards corporate communications because there are many brands, at least global brands, who are dissolving the role of a PR agency. I know Twitter did that recently, now X. I mean, they dissolved their role of corporate communications, or communications rather, to the corporate team. So yeah, that's happening like on a global front. So not sure what the future holds for PR folks.
Right. With AI coming into the picture, and there is a threat to a lot of the traditional jobs, but at the same time there will be new ones that will come up, and I don't see a reason why communications can be taken away at all, because it is, I think, quite pivotal to the growth of any and every company.
Yes, it is. And AI is more of a partner and a buddy. It's more complementing to the role you are at, like in terms of marketing or whatever. I mean, so it's like your companion and nothing. I don't think it's a threat.
Yeah, looking at the positive.
If you adapt to the technology, it's more than a buddy. It's just going to help you become more productive, is what I feel. I don't know.
That's a great way of looking at it, because yes, we should also ensure that it doesn't become a threat to us.
If I could just add a line, Make My Trip is very much, we are a travel tech company, and Make My Trip has enhanced the capabilities of Myra, and it will help you plan your trips. So I would love it if everybody at Make My Trip and outside try using Myra and plan their trips.
हेलो ट्रिपर्स, इस फ्रेंडशिप डे पर अलाइव हेल्थ लेके आया है एक जबरदस्त मौका। अब आप अपने अलाइव हेल्थ वॉलेट का फुल पैसा यूज कर सकते हो डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी के लिए बिना किसी कैपिंग के। हाँ, सही सुना आपने। अगर वॉलेट में है 5,000 रुपए तो पूरा 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है। और सबसे बड़ी बात, अब आप प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मेडिसिन्स किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से खरीद सकते हो। और सुनो, रीइंबर्समेंट का विंडो खुला है अलाइव ऐप पर सिर्फ 15 दिन के लिए, 1 अगस्त से 15 अगस्त तक। तो देर मत करो, जल्दी से अपना वॉलेट यूज करो और इस फ्रेंडशिप डे पर अपने हेल्थ के साथ भी दोस्ती निभाओ, अलाइव हेल्थ के साथ।
हंसा, बिल अपलोड करने का टाइम मिला क्या?
डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी दोनों के लिए नो कैपिंग। अगर वॉलेट में 5,000 रुपए हैं तो पूरा 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है। कर लो जल्दी, रीइंबर्समेंट विंडो खुला है सिर्फ 1 अगस्त से 15 अगस्त तक।
15 दिन? साउंड्स लाइक अ प्रोजेक्ट डेडलाइन। मिस नहीं करना।
जेटली अलाइव ऐप खोलो, बिल अपलोड करो और पैसा वापस लो।
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना।
स्किविडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो। ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा। लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो।
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show Badhai Ho with Stuti Chhabra. She is from the corporate communications department based out of Gurgaon. Tell me something, you love to travel yourself, don't you?
Yes, of course, I do. Who doesn't?
Yeah, right. I mean, travel kind of is now become the route that everybody loves to take when they want to kind of chill. It's no longer just going to a mall or just going out for a drink or, you know, a meal. It's literally like planning with your friends to go out for at least 2 days or overnight.
Yes, absolutely.
Why is it so different, and why is it people like this more than, you know, doing the other traditional things that people have been doing for, say, the past 10, 15 years or 20 years?
I think traveling is more experiential, and you can always, if you go out for a meal, you're spending good 3,000-4,000 anyway if you're drinking.
Yeah.
But in that same amount, you can plan a weekend getaway or put in more activities.
Correct.
So I think that's why travel is picking up. Like, you can add more experience. You can discover one city nearby and check off things from your bucket list.
Yeah.
That's why it's evolving more and more.
Within the city, if you go to a different location altogether, because there's just so much happening around and different people looking at life so differently that it's refreshing.
Yeah, I think which is where the trend for staycations is coming in. People from Delhi just go to Neem Rana or a Jaipur. They just take out their car, and in typical Delhi terms, we call it a gedi, and you just go.
Yeah, I mean, road trips, oh my God. I've got this newfound love and respect for road trips. It's tough, but it's that much more fun.
Correct. Absolutely.
Okay, that brings me to the Bollywood quiz, which you are going with. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
How much of a Bollywood fan are you?
I'm not.
But you've still gone with Bollywood. So let's see what you've got to offer. Who directed Dil Chahta Hai?
Farhan Akhtar.
That is correct.
Yes.
What is
one of my favorite movies.
Yeah. What is the name of the lead actress in DDLJ? Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. The name of the character, sorry.
Simran.
Yeah, oh my God. You know your 90s well, huh?
Absolutely,
okay.
yeah.
Finish this dialogue.
Okay.
Mere paas dash.
माँ है.
That is correct. From Diwar, Amitabh Bachchan, Shashi Kapoor, the brothers. In Chak De India, who plays the coach?
Shah Rukh Khan.
That
You're
is
asking easy
correct.
ones.
See, I told you it's going to be pretty easy. In which film does Amir Khan play an alien and befriends a journalist?
PK.
That is correct. In which film does Hrithik Roshan play a superhero?
Krish.
Yes. Oh my God, that is cool. Which film is the song Bole Chudiyan from?
K3G.
Yes. K3G. नहीं K3G से ही है.
Okay, got it.
And the last question. Hollywood is in the United States. So which country and which city is Bollywood in?
Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai in India. Well done. Oh my God. You were worried about Bollywood and I told you it's going to be very fun.
Yeah, this was really good fun.
Ravi, I need meds. Alive Wallet का सीन क्या है?
सीन फुल सॉर्टेड. बस डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होना चाहिए और अब किसी भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट शॉप से ले सकती हो. Even the one next to the chai point.
Love that for me. Adulting just got easier.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए.
नैना, मैं गॉसिप करना चाहता हूँ, कैफेटेरिया में खाना चाहता हूँ, ऑफ साइट पर भी जाना चाहता हूँ, बट काम नहीं करना चाहता. क्या करूँ?
That was fun. Go MMG Radio. Let's go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show with Stuti Chhabra, Corporate Communications Department based out of Gurgaon. While communications is key, and, while working for a travel tech company is also so big these days, it's kind of giving you everything that you really need in terms of making things convenient and very easy to kind of access. Do you also think that travel across ages has kind of increased over the years, Stuti?
It has. I think travel, it used to be a luxury at one point in time, but now everybody, no matter the age, is traveling. They want to explore the world. Nobody's limited to India now.
That is true. And do you think that things are kind of becoming more expensive now because post-COVID, while everybody's got into this whole, idea of travel and wants to travel everywhere in the world, it's also become a little more expensive?
I think traveling is aspirational, and if you aspire to do something, nothing really is expensive. You need to just plan better. It's not necessary to travel international. You can travel within India as well. So nothing really is that expensive if you know what your priorities are when you're traveling.
Oh my, spoke like a true traveler. And of course, like a true go-tripper. Well, now coming to some of the things that are important when it comes to travel. What do you think people must keep in mind when they're traveling? Like some of the things that you must not just skip out on absolutely.
Domestic, I know it's a very funny thing, nothing related to travel as per se. I think you should always have a fanny bag with you.
That is true.
Because it makes roaming around the city easier, and always carry your own sanitizer and wet wipes or whatever. I think these two things, I wouldn't travel, I wouldn't even step out of my house without it. Yes, this is and this will go for both domestic and international. For international, true. Make sure you have your passport wherever you're traveling, otherwise you'll be chucked out for sure.
The rapid fire round.
Okay, what is 2 plus 2?
6.
Wrong
answers only, correct?
Yeah, that is correct. Where did you sleep last night?
In the bus.
How many days do you think there are in a month?
70.
Oh my God, I wish. Where do fish live?
On land.
Yeah, amphibians, aren't they? What is water made up of?
Crystals.
What do we wear on our feet?
Wow, clothes.
Okay. What language do they speak in France?
English.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Wow, wrong answers only. This is a very hard one. I would say PM Modi, but I got really stuck. Wow, I can't even think of a name. It's just
any random name.
Joseph.
Oh, okay. Joseph something or just Joseph? There are many Josephs.
Wow, Joseph Kapoor.
Yeah, I thought you were going with Joseph Chhabra. Okay. What do you use a phone for?
Sleeping.
Good. And what happens when it rains?
The land becomes dry.
Well done. This was fun. I hope you enjoyed too.
Yes, I did. Thank you so much.
Stuti Chhabra has been on the show with me. We've had a ball, and the whole idea of having Badhai Ho as the theme is because she's new to the company but been in the corporate communications, sort of arena for more than 7.5 years. Wishing you all the very best, Stuti. Whatever it is that you're dreaming of and the goals you're after, I just hope they all come true for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's been lovely.
Corporate Communications Department based out of Gurgaon. It's Stuti Chhabra on the show with me today. With that, yes, I come to a close. I will be back on Wednesday with the Fame Game. Till then, you keep logging into the travel log. Keep things exciting and stay cheerful. This is your host Annie signing off. Ta-da.
Go MMT Radio.
Customers aren't just external, but they are also internal. Our colleagues, peers, team, etc. We must focus on the needs of both by building a culture of customer focus from inside out. Hello, I'm Yuvraj Shrivastava and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.